Today, we are introducing the Orient Mesh Normals feature. This tool lets you consistently orient your mesh's normals. We are using a bicycle model with 82 components. The blue areas face outward. The green areas face inward. To orient all normals outward, go to Mesh Repair and select Orient Mesh Normals. In the tab, you will find several options. We recommend sticking with the default settings. They are well balanced, but if you want to fine-tune the flow, you can manually pick up one of the available modes for this manipulation: positive, shallowest, and both sides. The virtual fill holes option can also be used. It may be helpful when working with scanned data that contains numerous holes. Finally, the component threshold percentage can be manually adjusted if you need to. Click Apply. The model now has consistent normals. You can also process multiple objects at once. Just select them all and run the same command. Why does this matter? Oriented normals are step 0 for any mesh repair. Most operations rely on them. If your mesh has too many self-intersections, the orientation may fail. In that case, fix the intersections first. Stay with MeshInspector, as we regularly release new features. See you in the next video.